Alright, so we need to let's continue. So yeah, sorry about last time. I don't feel too well. So yeah, and we haven't finished the like game over view. Okay, so let's start here. I believe I can like borrow most of the code from the game star view. So I'm going to use the code here. I believe I can just show in Finder and open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this can save you a lot of time by using the auto complete, right? Trust. Right. Okay. Then I can first get the board here, and then I can say something about the let's borrow some code from here. So WhackAnything by start tutorial, all that. Okay, and I'm going to just borrow all of it, but with some modification. So WhackAnything by William Jamming, and we can like restart our game. Okay, before we restart our game, let me say restart again. Restart again. Restart again. Okay, restart again. And if you click it, it will like restart it. And then I believe I also got the like the score. So I can say the score. The current score is just access the board that we write in earlier, and you access that score to show that score. Okay, really simple, and you click it, you can restart it, and yeah, really simple one this time, so you don't need to worry too much about it. So I believe I need to like make a Z stack. So basically this is our game, and I'm going to float above the game as a menu, and then change according to different states. Okay, so instead of V stack, I'm going to make a Z stack. Okay, and inside of Z stack, I'm going to say default. What is beneath it will be the what view? Let me look at game over, game star view, column, game view. Yeah, that'll be the game view. So the game view will be a default, and then deciding if there is a remember we got like a board dots. We can access this game state or something like that. I'm not sure. Let's go back to the board, and equal game state. So we got like a enum game start, or game playing, or game over. Okay, and depending on the different scenario, we are going to change. Okay, it doesn't really matter. And now let's just to go back to content view. Okay, and board dots game state. And if this game state equals to game start, okay, then we're going to show this game star view. So game star view, okay, just going to show it. So then else, if it's not the case, then the I believe it's like the board. Okay, we can access the game state by accessing the board game state. Okay, if board state equals to dots, if it's game over, then they will be direct to game over view. As simple as that. Okay, and yeah, basically that's it. And I believe all this preview will not be shown. That's because we haven't like a parsing here. So I'm going to do a little bit parsing. So let's just copy this board, and we can sort of inject the environment to the board. So environment, and we're going to inject the board. Okay, just inject here. Just keep this preview happy. Hopefully it can work. And okay, I'm going to like reuse this multiple times. So we're going to just copy this here. Okay, we can actually see it. That's brilliant. So if you like a gut environment here right now, if you look at right side, you have some of the problem. You don't need to solve it. Just tap OK and inject this environment. This we don't need content. We already injected. This we haven't injected. So inject, because we are using this game board itself as a board, and you know, just inject everything when you are actually using the preview. Okay, right now you don't have preview. This is more like a main actor. And yeah, so let's look at here. So this time, if you like rerun it, hopefully it can show at the right side. Okay, we got this here, and hopefully we can play it even the preview section. So this will be game view. The content view will be like all this like a stack together. So if it's a game start, game WhackAnything, yeah, and the game star view will be like the I should put it inside a star tutorial. Yeah, we can do that, but I believe it's better to wrap everything inside of a vertical stack, so V stack. Okay, and just get everything inside here. So text set X and button. Okay, so hopefully this can solve the problem. Sorry, yeah, just yeah, cut it and put it here. So hopefully this can solve the problem. And yeah, so WhackAnything by William Jeremy's short tutorial, yeah, all that. So we can like click things and jump to other places. Game over will be pretty simple. But I still believe that we need a V stack inside, and got all this. Like cut it, put it, got it, save it, and yeah, and then we got this like content view. This should like more, yeah. So depending on different state, okay, you can just show different things. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. And yeah, I believe that we can right now test it on this simulator of iPhone SE. Okay, let's run this. Okay, I already got this running at the smallest iPhone SE third generation, and because you know I ran it just 1 second and then I lost this game, so I need to like click restart. I need to add a little bit like a background. Doesn't really matter for now. Let's click restart this game. Okay, click. Okay, it's pretty challenging. Okay, because I just where can I see? I like yeah, 1 second later, yeah, I wait a little bit, like 1 second, and then oh, I haven't like changed the score, so I have to change the score as well. Okay, I believe the bottom style need to be changed as well. So let's go to the game star view, and we got like a star. Yeah, we got like a body as well, title. Maybe like change the bottom style to add some modifier. So bottom style, and I can change it to like a field. Let's say field bottom style. Okay, can I do something like this? Field bottom style. But yeah, there's no like a field bottom style, so maybe I'm going to like do something crazy by customize this. Okay, so construct like field bottom style will be the bottom style. So I can quickly get everything I want from bottom style and add some. And I can say make body, adding configuration. Yeah, we can do that. Return some view, and I can say the configuration. I can get a label and add some padding. Okay, and adding a semi-transparent or transparent background. So background, I can use color as American spelling. So I can use just black, but with the change opacity, maybe open 5, just hard. Okay, and so it will be semi-transparent, and I can have a foreground color, also maybe just a white. Okay, so I can even add a clip shape. So clip shape, and I can add whatever shape I want. I'm going to for rounded rectangle, and I can add the corner radius, and let me just make it small, 15, something like that. I'm not sure. Okay, I just first just do it and then modify that. So I can have a scale effect. I can add a configuration. Okay, can't find configuration. Okay, and is pressed. Okay, that really depends on whether it's pressed or not. So depending on whether it's pressed or not, I'm going to scale less, bigger, something like that, and then I can easily use my custom bottom style, and hopefully I can apply this customized style to every button that I want to make. Okay, and yeah, and of course we got a game overview, and I believe the game overview can also have that kind of style. So restart this game. Okay, just have that button style. Okay, let's run that. I'm not sure it will work. Yeah, WhackAnything return. Yeah, pretty good. I think I'd better add all the backgrounds here, or maybe adding a really big. Let's test it on Mac. Okay, maybe add a really big semi-transparent, like a wallpaper, something like that, so I can see things more clearly. Maybe not too transparent. Right now it's not too transparent. Let's look at here. Okay, we got start. Okay, restart game. Okay, then WhackAnything. The current score is 0. Restart game, and I believe yeah, you can zoom. You can scale that to really big, but that really depends on the minimum, the maximum and minimum size of the thing. Yeah, I can actually click this. Okay, I don't want you actually click this. So maybe can I just disable this while in content view? So the game view normally I'm going to disable, and you can't disable that all the time. So it's sort of it depends on whether it's game over or not. So depending on the game state. So we can add right now this is the default true, but we can say when we got this let's access the board, and then we can access the board's game state. Okay, if that game state is not playing, I believe it's a game playing, the game star or game playing, something like that. yeah, gameplay. It's not gameplay. It will be like automatic disabled, so you won't be able to see that. Okay, so you can't like actually click what's down below. It's just a simple, nice trick. And also, I want to like change the text as well. So I can, I believe I can add the like game star. Okay, let's add game star. Right now I just used a custom button style, but the text does not change. So I might as well just add that so I can see things more clearly. So background, so I can see the color, and I'm going to say black. Okay, I'm going to change opacity. And by the way, I think opacity is not too good. Like 0.5 is not too good. Maybe it is 0.8. So you got like really good, not transparent, so I can see things clearly. But also, user can actually see through things. So yeah, and foreground color, I'm going to just make it white, and I can add a clip shape just to got like rounded shape. So clip shape, and I'm going to say rounded rectangle, and have a corner radius size of like I think it's 15. Okay, and I can use this. Cannot convert. What the heck? Cannot convert user type integer. Let's corner size, corner radius. Sorry, corner radius. And okay, just use 15. So I can just copy all that and get it to, yeah, let's do WhackAnything. Get it here. So let me just separate all that, and game over. We got anything as long as a text. We can just paste it here. I can paste it here. The current score. Right now the score do not have a font, so let's add a font as well. Maybe there will be the like the title, body, and maybe like body. Okay, restart game. All that's that bottom. Body, no, body. Okay, and game start. Yeah, all that bottom. Yeah, we got like a bottom start, so we don't need to worry about it. Yeah, I believe the bottom style, yeah, let me change that to 0.8, just to be sure. Can't find gameplay. Yeah, let's, game state does not, okay, let's go back to board. And we got like game state, gameplay. It should have a gameplay, so game state, gameplay. That's pretty weird, it should be. So the game state, where should it go? Okay, board dot game state. Okay, if it's not equals to gameplay, yeah, it should have no problem. So let's try this. Yeah, successful. That's good. So yeah, look at this like WhackAnything by William James. The current score is 0. Okay, we can click restart, tap, yeah, good. Okay, WhackAnything by the current score is 0. Oh, I haven't like added the score mechanism yet, but we will do later. Okay, and yeah, I think pretty much that's it for this video. I don't want to make it like too long video, so yeah, see you next video. I might add some like miss system, so maybe like show the thing here, so when you like lose one life, lose one chance, you can miss that phase 3 times. So you miss it, you just like decrease this, and then it's a game over. Okay, see you next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. Alright, bye.